I'm Jing. I'm Chaturong Bodat from Symphony Communication. So Symphony Communication, we are the network service provider in Thailand. We provide full range of the service from domestic to international by using 100% pure fiber optic network. So our services start from connectivity towards ICT managed service. At ETIX Bangkok Our, we install our DWDM network that can cater up to 100G level and more than that. We provide a full range of the service by using fiber optic network. So it's come from two ways that ETIX already have a 4 PoE. We provide a two solution from two MMR A and B. So of course that is make that everything is high and reliable service. Because ETIX is a carrier-neutral data center, and by using Symphony network, we can provide an international network and also data center interconnection. So on our fiber optic network can go through international, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, or elsewhere in the world by using our IPLC service, including our MCT submarine cable that is fully diversity.